Hey guys, today we will show you why you should reconsider buying a GoPro camera. I think my problems will convince you to look for another brand of action cameras. Not only I have these problems, but also a lot of other people. Camera in this video is GoPro Hero 10 and it is 2 years old. The video remains frozen, but the camera display and time show normally. We can see no battery while the battery is inside. And at the same time the camera is being charged by an external battery. I'll try turning the camera off and on. Sometimes it helps and sometimes the camera doesn't turn on at all. Now that helped. The camera already shows the battery status, so I will try to turn on the recording. It seems that the camera is recording without problems. The second problem is during filming. These are video effects from GoPro, and this is what the resulting video looks like. Now the image has also frozen, but the time on the camera continues to run. I'll try turning off the camera again and watch what happens with the battery charge indicator. Now we can see a black image and the time is frozen. I will try to turn off the camera. The camera cannot be turned off and the image will reappear on the camera. Time doesn't move. The camera still cannot be turned off. I will disconnect the external charger and battery to turn off the camera. I will put the battery back in and try to turn on the camera. It seems that the camera works without problems, except for the display of the battery status. I will start the recording. And we have beautiful black screen. The timer is stuck at 16 seconds. I have to turn off the camera again by removing the battery. The camera cannot be turned on at all. Many original batteries and various SD cards recommended directly by GoPro have been tried in this camera. The camera has also been updated several times and a factory reset was also given. The camera turned on just fine. I think we can start filming. It seems to work great. Oh, here's a video effect from GoPro again. It looks interesting. The image has stopped, but time is running again. The battery is inside. But the camera shows that there is no battery. The camera is in very good condition. Some days the camera works fine. Some days it just doesn't want to even turn on. The touch screen works, the image is frozen but the timer runs. I use the camera to film service work on the car. So, for exactly 23 seconds, The camera filmed until it said battery low. The battery is in 100% charge. I turn on the camera again and the battery charge is 98%. Now we will look at the problem with the battery. In the video you can see how the front display lights up after inserting the battery. If the display does not turn off, the camera cannot be turned on. In this accelerated video, we can see that my GoPro camera is not easy to turn on. I try to turn it on with a fully charged external battery. Sometimes it works that way. The camera doesn't want to turn on. We can see the same problem in this sped up video. Sometimes it takes 30 minutes to turn on the camera. Let's look at the battery info. It shows the battery in excellent condition. I turned on video recording and at the same time, the camera shows no battery. The GoPro can record for 20 minutes without a battery. This showed for the first time. I currently have a SanDisk Extreme 128GB SD card installed in the camera. This card is also recommended by GoPro itself, but I also tried Samsung cards. Here we can watch a detailed video of what my GoPro camera looks like. It looks undamaged, never used in any action. Just recording around the cars. I prepared a test of how many minutes the camera can last without recording. Thank you for watching.